You have probably used AI image generators like Midjourney or Leonardo, and may be familiar with text-to-video generators like Pika Labs or Runway ML. They are really doing a great job, but you will need to use another AI tool to accomplish all of this on a single platform. I will be introducing a tool that can produce both images and videos in today's video. Let's get started if you are feeling enthusiastic. Presenting LensGo, a brand new potent AI platform for creating personalized images and videos. In contrast to other constrained AI systems, LensGo serves as an incredibly comprehensive solution with unmatched adaptability. LensGo enables you to conceptualize and manifest content in any visual form through its integrated text-to-image, text-to-video, image-to-image, and video-to-video models. The most entertaining aspect is that it's free to use. Let's examine each one in turn. In order to begin our journey, from here, select the login button. You can now register using your email address or Google account. After entering your username, gender, and profession, click the start button. We are now prepared to embark on our creative journey. Now let's use the LensGo image generator to create some images. This is the image creator page. Select create image from here. The models for creating images are located on the left. The two main models are anime and real. A few featured models will also be visible to you, such as those from fantasy, Pixar, vintage, comics, 3D design, mosaic style, game, mecha, and other categories. Let's start by creating images using the real core model. You will find image dimensions or aspect ratio after model option. Images in nearly every format, including square, portrait, and landscape, can be produced. Pick the one you like best. I am going to go with landscape or 16:9. Next, the quantity of pictures. Up to 4 images can be produced at once. The guidance scale follows. It will determine the degree to which AI responds to your text prompt. Next comes the negative cue. You can add unexpected elements to your image here. The text prompt box, where we must enter our prompt, is located at the bottom of the page. Let's try with a brief, straightforward prompt. A cat playing with the ball is what I will enter. Press the generate button once you have entered the prompt. It's going to take time. We will ignore this section and move on to our findings. LensGo AI creates 4 images for us, and in response to our prompt, the output is really excellent. You can regenerate the result if you are not happy with it. Simply go to the image you wish to download if you want to download any kind of image. This is where you will see a download icon. To save the image to your device, simply tap this icon. Alright, let's try this with a more thorough prompt. I applied the same creativity to a thorough prompt that I submitted. I will also include a few unfavorable prompts. Press the generate button once everything is configured. Alright, let's check the outcome. This is very impressive. It adheres to the correct prompt guidelines. Examine the scenes, the objects, and the composition's detail. Everything is excellent. Okay, let's give a different model a shot. I am going to try a featured model this time. We will adopt a Pixar style. This time I will use a different prompt. Now that we have pressed the generate button, the Pixar style images are displayed. To be honest though, these are not satisfactory results. I had hoped for better, more comprehensive outcomes. Alright friend, let's try creating images from other images now. We must upload a reference image in order to do this. From here, select the upload image button. Upload your reference picture now. I will submit a picture. Choose the image style once the image has been uploaded. I am going to choose the fantasy scene as a feature model this time. Input a text prompt now. Press the generate button once everything is configured. And there are the outcomes we got. That appears to be really cool. This is the original picture. LensGo modifies the style in a remarkable way while maintaining the same composition. I adore these outcomes. Okay friends, let's now investigate LensGo AI's capabilities for creating videos. Returning to the home page and use this link to choose the animate video tool. Similar to image generation, model selection is possible. There is also an aspect ratio option in the video generation process. The length of the video follows that. A 2-second video will be generated if you choose normal, and a 4-second video will be generated if you choose longer. Then there is a camera movement. The motion of the camera can also be used. You can choose to zoom in, out, pan and roll back in this section. Choose one of them. Alright, so we need to type in a text prompt now. I will try using a feature prompt this time. Now let's choose this one. Once the prompt has been chosen, press the generate button. The outcome will require some waiting, and this is it. A 4-second pixel style video is produced by LensGo, and it's of fairly good quality. Simply click the download icon from this page to start the video download. Alright, I will make another video using the same prompt but a different aesthetic now. I am going to choose the actual model this time. I will adjust the camera to focus in closer. Alright, press the generate button and this is the outcome we came up with. It appears to be a real video. Okay friends, I will now conclude our video. Prior to that, I would be interested in knowing what you think of LensGo AI. Post your ideas and outcomes in the space provided for comments below. For more incredible tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it useful. I really appreciate you watching, and until the next time, have fun making and remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.